Good morning world, it's your boy Pritesh and today is Saturday, November 2nd. It is about 9 o'clock, between 2 and -2 apparently, with wind chill supposed to feel like -2. Nice and balmy, liking the weather. Balmy. Alright, so what's the plan for today? Alright, so I'm supposed to get a delivery of some washer and dryers. Well, washer and dryer. So the plan is to obviously get some of that laundry stuff taken care of. I used to own a dry cleaner, so laundry is on me. We have the chainsaw out, the CM261 right there, and some of the oil. So we'll be putting up oil in there. And we had some wind yesterday. Well, Halloween Thursday evening, and some wind yesterday as well. So we have some fallen trees. So it's going to be time to get the chainsaw out and do some of our homework per se. The main one that I have to go after today is, I'm walking towards it, is this tree right here. It was an eyesore for us. Now that it's fallen, well, nature says it's time to get it out. So here we are. Yeah, I should just probably, so using a chainsaw, just kick it. It's gonna work. So that's on the agenda for today. Next, I might be getting a trimming as well. Get the girls to help me out with the trim. Trying to not look shabby when I'm at work. So that's the next one. After that, if I can blow the leaves here, move them on that side, that's what I intend to do. I got some twigs back there. I need to put them in the twig pile. We're still walking, trying to see what else might have fallen that I need to either consider for firewood or I guess just burn away in my see some snow out here as well. Burn away in my pile when I do a bonfire. Now the farmer did plant some winter wheat, so I can see some of that stuff coming up. I can see some frost on the ground as well. So it is cold. It's a matter of moving, keeping the heart rate up, getting some of that fresh air. One of the reasons why I moved out here. Alright, so besides that, this is the next pile of wood that I need to go after. I need to start cutting it up and get it prepped up for firewood. And then this is on the to-do list, to clear up all of this. Get the machete out and start going at it, hacking away. Waiting for the truck, the delivery truck, to show up with the appliances. Alright, so the next thing that I have to do is I had used the mower back here about a week ago to clear the trails. Well, clear the trail that gets me access to the conserved area at the back there. So there is a portion where I need to go at it with the hacksaw, or otherwise my machete as well. So here we go. This is the cleared path that I have. You can see the apples that we have. We have a tree right here that I could cut up as well for firewood purposes. And we keep going to the back. Now, since I need to be in the perimeter of the delivery, I think I'm gonna get started with my chainsaw. and then chip away at what else we deem as important for our purposes, which is next is collecting firewood. So stay tuned. Alright, so time to get ready to get some loud music to my ears going. So ear protection is first and foremost. So I have these ear plugs that I'll be trying out. This is something that's custom that my wife made for me. She is an audiologist, and what I was trying to look for was the red dot. The red dot signifies it goes on the right hand side. So here is the stuff, goes in here, and it actually leverages the fold in your ear to sit nice and snug. So that's one. Here is the second one. Goes right in there. And then I push the top bit in place within the fold of the ear, and nice and snug. And since I like to double bag my stuff and everything, this is how we're going to double bag it. Using these plugs. Alright, so it's time to put some oil, some bar oil on the lawnmower. Why am I saying lawnmower? It's time to put. Alright, so it's time to get some maintenance going. We shall put some bar oil in the chainsaw that I have, the CM261. Got my funnel. Got the bar oil right there. I call it bar oil, chain oil, same thing. Got my funnel. Crack open the bar oil. Recycle this. Let's go. Okay, world, so the chainsaw, it's not turning, so we're gonna open it up to see if anything is too tight. Maybe that's what the issue is. So let's open it up. I think I'm gonna also turn the bar around, so that way we get some even use out of it. I was hoping to start my day earlier, but I'm pulled into so many other things. All the example, the washer dryer delivered. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna open these eyes. Got two screws right there. Out. I should get my gloves on. Don't want to cut myself this early in the game. Alright, so let's move there up. Move. Come on, baby. Turn it around this way. And next is this part right here. I'm going to get it through the holes, but I need to also get it behind this rotator gear. Put it out. There we go. Alright, so it's sitting nice and good. I had some extra oil that fell down, so I dropped some oil and I was trying to fill it up. So I'm trying to see if I can put some of that on the bar while I'm working on it. Alright, so here we are. We have this right here. Need to put this cover back on. This is the part that I might have to remove my gloves, because I can't feel the thing. So one glove is out, another one is on. Put the card onto something. This one seems to be having an issue. Try it again. Turn. I'm not catching anything. Push it in. And turn it around. I'm catching nothing. This is the second time this has happened to me. So I'm going to have to figure out how I can better my technique with this. The other thing that I need to be cognizant of is the way the chain is facing. I did not turn the chain. I think I should turn the chain as well. So let's do that as well.
Alright, so get the bar up. Let it sit right close to it right there. Examine the chain. Make the chain to go this way. So this way is going to be ripping whatever it is to rip. Since I have some oil, I dropped on my bench here. I'm just going to quickly turn the chain on it. So now I'll be looking at sharpening the chain as well. I'll do a video on that. I bought one of the Stihl fancy chain sharpeners. That's how it works for us. Okay, so this is how we're going. Okay, let's try to get it to sit back here. Okay. Let it sit in the spot. Get the chain to stick in the glue back here as well. That works. That works. Okay. Put the cover back on. Before you put the cover back on, it's just hanging on the screws. I need to get it to move back and sit on top of the actual screw head, is what I want to call it as. So, trying to understand what is preventing it. So what that is preventing is a little head right here. So got it on there, and now everything sits nice and flush as I'd like it to. Alright, so next we got this guy right here. I know this is a little bit of my gloves. Let's do the gloves. It's sitting nice and snug, so remember, it needs to sit, this cover plate needs to sit right on top of this screw's head. Alright, so we have rotated this guy. Gonna tighten up the screws. Alright. Okay, so this is looking like it's done. Let's give it a whirl and see what happens.
Houston, we have liftoff. And that's kind of how it's done. Any questions, anything, feel free to let me know. Learning curve, so here to learn. But I believe this job is done. Alright, so on to the next, which is getting ear protection on, cutting some trees, and let the fun begin. Alright, so my wood fireplace takes logs that are 18 inches and less. Begin to read a little bit here. So I have a little log here. Well, I have a log here that is pretty long, so we're gonna measure it up and then go at it with the chainsaw. Okay, so apologies if my stuff was not in focus. It is beginning to rain, but here are our wins. This tree is done. Probably gonna go after that one. I did try to kick it. It didn't move. Seems like the roots rotted. So I'm gonna have to make a pit over here. Eventually fill it up with some grass. So you get some growth happening. Growth as in grass for next year. Alright, so are we going after this tree or not? I think I hear somebody say yes. Let's set this up. Alright, so I would like to start at the top, but we shall start at the bottom because I'm not going to pull that ladder out. And then hopefully we can get these guys out of here with the tractor and clean it up. So where do we park, you guys? Yeah, I'm gonna use this log, this crusty log. Let's get right here, this one. So here is your vantage point.
That's me. And that's me. And that's yours. Now the tree does have a lean this way, so you can go after it right there.
So here's the aftermath. My chainsaw, the blade is a little bit loose, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. But I think we are at a good spot. Trees down. Probably get the Deere out with the loader. I have the loader on it, so I'm good to go. There is some wood up there that we're taking a video of that I should go after. I'm thinking maybe get the tractor out, load this up, and get ready for the next stuff. So here we go, back to the shed. Let's adjust the chain. Actually, we can adjust the chain after it starts raining. Well, it's still drizzling, so if it gets worse, we shall probably adjust the chain then and see what happens with the weather. But for now, let's get this wood back in the shed so it can dry in there and see what's next for us. So here we go. Chainsaw back in the shed. I'm enjoying this. This is therapeutic. Look at that, wearing sunglasses, when it's raining. It's a lifestyle, and I'm loving it. I tell people that I could see myself last another 10-15 years here, easy. I'm obviously betting that my body is not gonna give up on me, because I do, yes, like to do things the hard way, trying to be cheap, economical. I guess that's what it is, first and paramount. But also I gotta be logical. We are blessed with what we have, so I gotta be thankful. All right, so enough of the chitta chatter. Chainsaw is back in the shed. Don't wanna get rain on it if I don't need to. The Deere's right there. I have the keys back in the house, so let's go get the keys. I need to get some wood back in the house as well. So I should probably look into transporting some of the wood from here there. So let's do that next. The ones we cut up. So let me get these inside the house. I'll be back. We should get the keys to the tractor. Being efficient. Get the keys to the tractor and then pick up the wood from there. There's a spot up there that I have well seasoned wood as well. I'm gonna cut that up and do what we can while it's drizzling. Maybe have a nice fire tonight. So stay tuned. Okay, I am looking for my trusty tool that I use for my camera. Where have you gone, buddy? There you are. Got my earplugs on. Got the keys. Let's open up the shed. That's the spot we're gonna drop off the firewood. Hey, that pile's gonna get bigger. I'm gonna have to do something about that. All right, let's open up the gates. Okay, I'm getting hungry. Maybe that's why I'm kind of being slow here. All right, so we got the keys. Let's check. Check. Insert the keys. Check. Fuel, 3/4 full. Check. Do I have extra fuel? No, I do not. Need to go buy some diesel. All right, earplugs. Safety time. So let's park you guys up there on my plastic wrapped seats. I haven't had the heart to take the plastic off. Ooh, there goes my tummy. Listen, buddy, feed me something or I'm gonna revolt. And I keep telling the tummy, look, mind over matter. Mind over matter. Alright, so earplugs. Check. Right there. Style the hair. Check. Earplugs. Check. I don't need this right now, so I'm going to leave this right here. I got gloves right there. I got my camera stand as well. I should actually get the camera stand situated where I can use it whenever I want. So that's going to be a task for another day. So ideally I could leave you right here and I do not have to be worried about stuff dropping, falling, which could happen right now. I might have to put some sort of this stretchy thing that goes. I guess when you do not eat, concentrate on what it needs to do. Okay, so we got the loader, we got the manpower right there. Let's go. Whew. neutral.
It is raining, and sucker in me needs to have the glasses on because I don't want just taking a chance of stuff getting into my eyes. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this. Alright, let's get the vantage point camera in place. There you go. Just follow me. Alright. Let's do this. Have a bucket day. Let's go around here. Speaking of, I guess this reminds me of having a child next to me. So I keep thinking, what is my kid up to? So I keep looking at the camera to make sure that everything is looking hunky-dory. Blocks. Anybody want some? One. Back to the garage. Okay. So then, maybe between my legs. Huh. I can have it wherever I want to have it. Let's park it somewhere and see what we can do. So this right here is the tractor stuff. We're going to push it over there. It's in my final pile. Once it's ready to dry up, and we'll have to chop some of that stuff. There you go. Trying to explore other boundaries. So maybe that's one of the reasons why I got myself out here. I like to do stuff with my hands. I'm learning a form of enforcement. But I like to think if you are interested in something and you want to pursue it with your heart, you'll get it. If it's a matter of just falling in love with the idea, fall in love with other things. You fall in love with every woman that you see on the street. But getting yourself out there, finding the one that works for you, with you, is what it's about. Much smaller pieces of wood, so I can throw this out the fire in front of them as well. That's about it. I need to buy some shoes. Shoes I've been considering have been the Kenyan Bulldogs. Why am I considering something that's still great without these silly things? Like go out to the net, swing it, and get the access point to my horse. You don't want to decapitate myself as well. So that's upcoming. Looking on Black Friday sales. So we'll see what comes out of that. So there's plastic here. I'm going to do it this time. One of my to-dos is as well, I'm not today, maybe tomorrow, I don't know, is to get those drainage pipes in place. Now, for now, since I found these pipes right here, I'm trying to see how they work for me. So there's one. It's not really working well. So I came up with an idea. I'm going to have to fix that. What else going on back here? I need to go into my trees back there. It's a thick, dense forest. So that's one place I have to go. Besides that, I need to go by the tennis courts. There's a lot of tennis courts to work on. And we need to finish up that tree that we are cleaning up. So let's do that too. Okay. There's my stockpile. Let's go. I'm going to put this thing on pause. Let me get some work done. Might have to go check the state of the washer. And then let's take it out.
Alright, so here we are. I cut up one of these pieces of wood right here. Started loading it up. Smells, this is fantastic wood. I'm gonna let it sit in the shed for maybe a week or so. It is dry. Let's cut up whatever we can here, clean it up, put it back inside the shed, pile it up, and then get ready to get this into the house for next week, or maybe sometime midweek. That's what the plan is. So let's go at it. I'm thinking let's do a time lapse here, so you do not get bored. Well, you know what? Scratch that idea. If you are bored, just fast forward. If I get hurt, you can watch me bitch and cry. So let's do it. Alright, first step is to mark up my wood. So
I'm going to get you at this point where you can see maybe what I need to do. Yes, you can see one log here. Let's see if we can get it this way. There we go. Maybe that's a little bit better. Alright, so 18 inches. So anything less than 17 or 18 inches is exactly what I'm going for. Let's mark this guy up. And the other one above it. So this one. Well, from here, 17. 17. Okay. Let's do these two. The third one behind it. The third one next as well. I want to make sure that my points do not get lost. Let's do 17. Let's do this. Now I got to play with chalk. I know. Smells lovely. Smell of pine. Love it. Alright, let's do this thing. More, there's more. And wait, there's more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 more logs. Let's get going above it. Let's get 2 out of harm's way. This is the one log that we took off. There's 1, 2 below it. So let's chalk it up as well. Alright, come on, let's do this thing. of this. Maybe it's not seated properly. Trying to get it so. Let's try to get it back in there. Maybe readjust it and see what happens. Still sore. But maybe after this thing is done, game over for today. Alright, here we go. I'll do this thing.
Okay, so vantage point, tractor is loaded. I'm gonna, I think I'll put this wood by the entrance to the house, so at least I have a stack of wood close to the property. Else by the shed, I don't know. By the property makes sense. It is raining, so maybe I should keep it covered. So I'm not sold on where exactly I need to put this yet. Guess I gotta sell myself. This is all the pile of wood we have. I do not have a log splitter, so let's see how these logs do with regard to do I need to split them or not. I know people say split it, and let's see what we do. Else I got the axe, maybe sharpen it up and see how far we can get with that as well. So lots of wood here that I need to collect. So I guess the next 1 hour or so, we got plenty to have me going. I need to figure out what's going on with my laundry as well. So let's head back to the shed. Still don't know where I'm gonna go put this. Shed, house, don't know. House probably. And then let us check out the laundry. Well, you guys are gonna stay here. And then maybe go for a nap. So alright guys, stay tuned.